Hi. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how big companies like Coca-Cola, Amazon, or Mercedes manage thousands of employees, millions of products, and billions of dollars in transactions every single day? The secret behind this is a powerful technology called SAP System. Today, I'll explain what SAP is, why it's so important, and how it actually works. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. It is a German multinational software company founded in 1972. SAP builds ERP software. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Right finger in simple words, SAP is a central system that helps companies manage all their business processes like finance, HR, sales, supply chain, production, logistics, procurement, and more, all in one single platform.
Why companies use SAP? Imagine a company running without SAP. HR has its own software. Finance has a different one. Sales is using Excel sheets. Inventory is tracked separately. This creates confusion, duplicate data, and slow decision making. With SAP System, everything is integrated. Example: when a sales order is created, inventory automatically updates, finance records the revenue, and production gets the requirement. No manual data transfer, no errors, and real-time updates. Key features of SAP. Integration connects all business processes. Real-time data updates instantly across departments. Scalability works for small, medium, and very large companies. Automation reduces manual work. Global standard supports multiple currencies, languages, and countries. How SAP works. Example. Let's take an example of ordering a car. Customer places an order, right pointing arrow goes to SAP SD module. Production team checks requirements, right pointing arrow SAP PP module. Materials are purchased, right pointing arrow SAP MM module. Payment is processed, right pointing arrow SAP FI module. Employee salaries for production are handled, right pointing arrow SAP HCM module. All this happens inside one SAP system, making business smooth. Conclusion. So, in simple terms, SAP is the backbone of modern businesses. It integrates every department, provides real-time data, reduces costs, and helps companies make faster and smarter decisions. If you're looking to build a career in technology or business, learning SAP can be a game changer.